Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Tapo C510 with the C520. So let's start with the specs. So when you're going to look here, the C520 got a little bit better resolution. You can see it right here, but not so much, but it's better. Night vision is also better. You're going to full color night vision, but you're going to start like all night vision with 850. In that regard is better. Field of view again better for the Tapo C520WS. Then smart motion tracking, they got both. AI detection, so when you look here regards the AI detection, you're gonna have more for Tapo C520WS. Then customizable alarm, both storage, both same. Waterproof C520WS. Smart integration, then you're gonna have the Tapo got better connectivity. Then smart integration is the same. Power source, lower power consumption for the C510W. Operating temperature is also same. Dimensions same. Audio like similar, and physical privacy more similar. And therefore, is like, as you can see, is that Tapo C520WS is in many regards better comparing to Tapo C510W. I just want to make this quick video for you. I hope you find it helpful, and it's going to like help you decide which product you want to get and buy. And let me down below in the comments which one you decide for. So thank you very much for watching, and hope you have a great day, and goodbye.